I'm still stuck on that poster of yours.
Okay.
So why did you put whiskey in a gin bottle? Like why?
You figured out it's a gin bottle.
Yeah, gin bottle. The moment I saw it, I was like, really? Why have I seen this?
मतलब तुम लोग immediately found out.
Knowledge रखते हैं हर
Malake immediately found out. I could gin only.
I have a lot of
My
experiences.
general knowledge is very good.
No,
That's right.
no. The point is, if you see the poster, it's all white. It's majorly all whites. There's no dominating color in that. So like, if I put water, sometimes in the effect, you don't see the layer of that demarcation of water. It might look like an empty bottle. So we filled with whiskey.
Technical reason.
Yes.
No other reason.
Yeah, because when you see the poster, there's no too many colors popping. It's all white.
Yeah.
I think what else? Yeah, it's all white. There's no popping color. Only popping color is the whiskey
But
color.
actually, you're right.
But
Now I understand.
Yeah.
creatively, it really worked.
Yeah, it worked, yeah, because
it worked.
in a transparent glass, the brown color liquid,
Yeah.
it works.
It was like that it got so much of attention
Yeah.
as well. Like,
Yeah, silly.
So that is the reason.
Yeah. So what is the expectation? Let's get there. What is the expectation? What do you think?
I feel more than an expectation, it's a wish that it becomes a mega blockbuster. I mean, why not, right?
No,
They're
but
both
yeah,
at the
obviously,
film,
yeah,
they're
but-
close to the film.
Yeah.
So that being
And you have the
the...
feeling also, right? Because
I do feel that when I'm working on something, I'm not one of these actors who gets caught up in my head saying, oh, I'm a part of this film, so ye to chalne wali hai. You kind of get a sense of, I'm a realist in that sense.
Okay.
And okay, this is how the story is spanning out, this is how the making's coming together. And when it comes to Raja Saab, I feel we have a banging story with a very strong emotional core.
superb.
And plus, it's got the other paraphernalia, all the other elements of like comedy, songs, action, all of that. But the emotions are in the right place, in my opinion. So I have a lot of faith in that part.
Nice.
I honestly don't necessarily have such an expectation towards the film. I'm more than anything excited as an audience to watch the film because having shot for it, I recently just dubbed and I've seen my scenes. So I'm done with my performance part and now I'm wanting to really just enjoy the film because I know that whenever I go to a theatre, I really enjoy experiencing something new. And I feel like Raja Saab is exactly that. It brings you to a new world that you've not seen before. It enhances and expands your own creativity and it makes you feel like I hadn't seen this, like I hadn't thought of it.
Yeah.
And the film is exactly that. And again, the emotions are right there. It's a plethora of, every aspect of filmmaking that does exist, like every genre that does exist.
But for me, I'm not part of this film.
Yeah.
Other than I know Anna is doing the film, did the film. I'm excited too because
Right, what?
the trailer looks very
Especially the
eventful.
second trailer I saw.
Yeah.
You're excited.
No, I want to know who is this grandfather? What's happening? Why is he dying in a crocodile?
So what is
Yeah.
cult director?
The crocodile
That's very interesting.
with you.
Yeah, because
So
what
what is an improvised cult director?
No, I want to take my kids also because it is fun to me.
But that's true, sir. It's for family. Like it's for everyone.
Yeah.
Everyone can
Because I can't show my films to my kids. So Raja Saab. I took them to Kalki also, so I'll take them to Raja Saab as
I
well.
feel like, and Bharti sir, he's a fabulous director. He's a very talented person, and more than anything, he's also a great comedic actor.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I feel like he's also added those many nitty-bitty gritties,
Yeah.
and that's really like enhanced everything in this film. And so yeah, the second trailer that came out is my personal favorite,
Okay.
and I feel like if two trailers of just like probably 6.5, 7 minutes could do so much, imagine like 2.5 hours or something.
I hope our film does really well, and for me obviously, but also I really feel like this genre needs to open up in India. We need to start making more films like this, and I always believe so that big films should do well. By big I mean big budget films,
Yeah.
because I think it's so good for the entire industry. So as an industry person, I think big films need to do well, and we all need to support each other and support those films because it creates so many more opportunities
Yeah.
for everyone in this industry. So I obviously love the film, I'm a part of it, but even as an audience, I would love to watch this film.
Thank you guys.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much for doing promotion for Raja Saab.